All right, so I swapped out the pick guard. This here's got the neodymium button cells on the back side of it. There you are. These little round magnets, and I got them stuck to the back of the steel slugs. I pulled the ceramic magnet off the back of the Jeep pickups, and then stuck one of those to the back side of it and hot glued it on, and then put the pick guard up in here. And I think there's other videos that show my Alnico 5 pickups that were in here. They're in a red tortoise pick guard right now. So anyways, I swapped them out. I didn't put all the screws back in because it's temporary. So anyways, there were some folks that said the heavy neodymiums might cause scratitis, but I do not believe that is true. But I've got my modeler set on 65 Deluxe. Let's see how this works. This is the neck. All right, now this is the these two. These two. Here, move you down here. We can see what I'm doing. This is these two. Neck. Let's move you down a little bit more. Step back. All right, so we're on the neck. Neck in middle.